morning.
Good morning.
We came to Noosa National Park and we did a nice big, how big was it?
I think it was about 5 kilometres.
5 kilometres.
Total.
It is beautiful. It's my favourite place. I think I already said that, but
it is literally paradise.
So yeah, we did that walk. Now we are going to go to the chemist because Megan has got a massive bite on her leg. Check it out. Oh, you can't see it. Oh yeah, you can see it. It is massive. So it's been 24 hours now and we're going to go to the chemist.
I'm usually the type of person to just ignore things until they go away, but I don't think this one's going away.
Yeah,
it's
getting
progressively worse and it's very itchy, but yeah, it should be right.
Yeah, so
Jack keeps saying that it's eating my flesh from underneath, so it's making me a bit anxious. But yeah,
we're going to the chemist, see what the chemist says. It might lead to the doctors, but wish us luck. We're going there now. There it is. Are you ready?
Yes.
You know?
If it's bad news, then I'll treat myself to like a pie or something afterwards.
The bakery smells so good. Anyway, we're going in. Let's see what happens. Oh! What?
Oh, I just scratched it as I got in the car. And that hurt.
Well, guys, we're off to the hospital. No, I'm joking. The pharmacy. What are they called? Those blokes?
What, the actual pharmacy name?
Yeah, pharmacist. The pharmacist.
Oh, I thought you meant the actual
It's like a university degree, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not anyone can be a pharmacist.
Yeah, so the pharmacist recommended an ointment and a pill.
So antihistamine and an anti-inflammatory.
Yeah.
So he reckons by 48 hours I should be alright.
All cleared.
And if not, then
Megan's going to die. Nah, she'll be fine. So this is what our office looks like today. Nice and messy, but how's the view, mate? Woohoo! Oh, ciao, buongiorno.
This is what happens when we go grocery shopping hungry.
We bought bad food.
Garbage.
But it is going to be bellissimo.
It's just so easy because they're literally right next to each other in the aisle all the time.
Whoa, that's
a
lot.
Gosh. Yeah, that's supposed to serve 4. What are you doing?
Well, my muscle's getting pretty bloody small, so I need to start eating more. But it's going to be, is it bon appetit?
What? You're the Italian one. Why are you asking me?
It's going to be ciao, buongiorno. Good morning. Teeth all brushed. Oh man, you should smell the bins here, eh? It's like people have dumped a ton of fish in there. So it's not very nice. Had a good sleep though. Man, we've got this toothpaste and it is disgusting. Hey Megan. She hates it. Makes her dry reach. So just put bad toothpaste and bins full of fish in one sequence and I think you will you'll understand what I'm talking about.
It's not just the taste on that though, it puts like a film on your teeth that you have to like spit out for hours after brushing your teeth.
It's disgusting. Well, look what happened today. Broken key. Had to pull this one out of the old hiding spot.
What is that lanyard?
I don't know. It says mess with me.
What?
Question mark. So yeah, we're on. I better go get that key cut today, eh?
Mhm.
Otherwise, maybe he can't cut it. Hopefully, he can cut that key.
Surely.
Otherwise, pretty screwed if I break this one. But yeah, I like this key because it's got sentimental value. Might frame it. I think we're on Rainbow Beach at the moment, and it's so busy.
Is Rainbow Beach the beach, or is Rainbow Beach the town and the beach is called something different though?
I don't know. But yeah, we're going to park up and maybe just try and walk the whole beach, just get some fitness in.
We have done stuff all exercise the last couple of weeks, and I feel like garbage. And may or may not have bought up a few of the hot cross buns that are being put on sale.
Yeah, we bought hot cross buns.
Because it's not Easter anymore.
And Megan ate the whole pack.
And they're throwing them out for $2, so I had to do it. But not feeling great now.
We're going to go park up back in the car park and we're going to walk the whole beach. I think it's like 6 kilometres, so wish us luck. So we went for our nice little walk. Now we've come down to the another beach just before the point there to Fraser Island. And it is awesome, it's pumping. Hey Megan.
Hey.
This beach is sick, eh?
Yeah, I like it a lot.
Solar panels getting nice and charged. What are we? 12.4 volts. Beautiful. How's the spider bite?
It's alright. I think it looks a bit bad. Oh, no, it's not too bad. I could feel it when I was out in the sun though. It was like getting hotter than the rest of my body, but...
So Megan didn't die?
Didn't die. I feel like you're very close to me.
I'm not.
The pharmacist helped heaps. What he gave me.
Yeah. Right. So we're just gonna... What are we gonna do?
I'm going to read my book in the sun. I literally have had one other day where I probably sat on the beach and read a book. I literally thought the trip was just going to be me reading books on the beach for the entire time, and it hasn't happened. So.
But also, actually, another thing I need you guys to back me up on here.
Alright.
Leave another comment down below and tell me if Megan should be putting more sunscreen on or not, because she does not put enough sunscreen on.
I put enough.
Megan,
I put plenty.
You don't put enough sunscreen on.
I put a lot of sunscreen on.
We've had so many fights about it. So, should she put more sunscreen on? 100%. Leave a comment down there so it proves me right and her wrong. Righty, we're going there. That's the only way out. And I've been watching cars get bogged all day. So this is really the first time that we've had to let the tyres down and really get it into low range and all that. So it's going to be interesting. I wonder if we're going to make it. I didn't even try. Here's me stressing all day about coming out of here, and I didn't even have to try. I went too fast. So
I almost missed it on camera.
Once again, let your tyres down. It's that simple. We got the primo spot.
Stoked, eh?
Megan looking all FBI agent.
Do I?
We got the primo spot, guys. How good's that? Brilliant day on the beach. And now we just come.
After last night being stuck by the bins,
yeah.
Is that a surprise?
We're moving up. Started at the bottom, now we're here. Yeah, so that's why I don't have a singing career, guys. So yeah, we've got the primo spot. Setting up the shower. Megan wants a shower after a long day on the beach. How good's that? Loving it. Hey.
Absolutely.
Hey, no swearing.
I can bleep it.
Not allowed to swear on YouTube. It's been pretty hard not swearing actually, but we're working on it. We are at the Manta Ray barge office and you're probably wondering why. We changed our minds.
We were going to wait out the weather for a week, but we saw sort of next week's forecast a little bit, and it seems to be getting worse.
And it's a public holiday as well next week. So
yeah, so we figured may as well just...
let's get it done.
Get it done. We've got 4 nights all booked there. Super excited.
Oh man, I can't wait.
We've just gone and done our groceries for the week, and Woolworths got me again. 88 cents now they're throwing them out for, so like I had to get another one. So our last stop before heading to Fraser is Carlo Samblo, which we actually got the recommendation off a lovely local, so thanks for that, Ned. I think we were so focused on Fraser and Inskip that we had no idea this was even here, so it's always good to get a bit of local knowledge. And yeah, it's awesome. Never seen anything like this before.
No, it's beautiful. Now we get to go to Fraser.
Super excited. The weather's still looking mint, and we also saw, I don't know, about 200 people going the opposite direction.
That's
so
a good thing.
Lots of people leaving, might have a little bit of privacy, always good.
Yep.
So yeah, we are almost at that point where everybody gets a bit stuck. That Jack's been...
I'm so nervous. I don't know why I'm so nervous. So I've got like this weird adrenaline rush.
Because you've been watching videos of hundreds of other people getting stuck here all week.
Alrighty, I'm pulled over. We're gonna let the tyres down, lock the hubs in, and let's go.